Yoni massage for orgasms and healing. Your vagina and your sexual energy are your power sources. Yet, so many women are disconnected from the very things that will liberate them as humans and give them the creative power to shape their lives. Your body is a continual reflection of your state of consciousness. It wears the years of your experiences, and in the case of unresolved traumas, these are also held in your tissues and in your organs in your body. If they aren't healed and released, they create energetic blockages, and these eventually show up as physical ailments such as numbness, low libido, difficulty in orgasm, pain during sex, lack of lubrication, and struggles with menstruation and menopause, and the list goes on. You can heal yourself. And when you do, your pussy will be magnetic. It will draw good things to you. And it will be your compass. It will lead you toward your greatest good and the best decisions for yourself. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 ways to heal, awaken, and activate, supercharge your vagina and have a magical magnetic pussy. Know thy inner self. Do some vaginal reconnaissance. So many women really have not explored their vaginas or even put their fingers inside of themselves. So go west, or rather go south. Go south. Go south. Go south. Make dates with your vagina. Set aside 20 to 30 minutes, grab some melted coconut oil, and play. So your goal here is not orgasm, it's self-knowledge. Start with your vulva and then work your way inside of your vagina and use your fingers to explore all areas inside of you. Breathe deeply and keep your attention focused in your vagina. Feel for every nook and cranny inside of you and map them out inside of your head. If you like, you can even take a mirror and look inside of yourself. Take a flashlight and a mirror and really get to know your vagina. When you do, you build the consciousness of it, and so you're inviting it to wake up and to be an active contributor to your life. Self-healing massage. The vagina stores all of our positive and negative sexual and feminine experiences. Most women have numb vaginas because they've never fully processed all of these things that have happened to them. So the residue of unhealed stuff takes up energetic real estate and creates an interference field in your body. You can release these blocks through conscious, loving touch, and you can do it to yourself. Create a private, uninterrupted space for you and at least 20 to 30 minutes of time. Take melted coconut oil again and play some heart-opening music. Create a lovely atmosphere, light candles and incense if you like, and settle in for some self-loving. Feel for any places of tension or tightness or numbness and slowly, gently, lovingly massage through them. Just like you would look for tension in a muscle, you're gonna look for tight areas inside your vagina. So breathe into these areas, and as you do, consciously focus on opening and relaxing your vagina, like the petals of a flower opening up. You might feel strong emotion come up when you do this. Awesome! This is what we want to happen. These are the things that need to be released that will pave the way for more pleasure. So you might not even know what the emotion is connected to, and it doesn't matter. If you start to cry, just let yourself cry. All that matters is that you are releasing this stuff. So let yourself feel sad, feel uncomfortable, upset, even angry. Just notice what comes up, feel it, and it will pass. And breathe. The Yoni egg. Vaginas need exercise too. Using Yoni eggs allows you to exercise, resensitize, massage, and strengthen all at once. It's your all-in-one vaginal happiness tool. So they get all of your sexual chi moving and flowing, which also gets all of your juices moving and flowing. Circulation equals lubrication. So once you've strengthened up your vagina, it gushes and flows on demand, or to recognize when you're feeling aroused. You will be wet. Moving the egg into the different areas of your vaginal canal stimulates reflexology points and builds articulation and power. The baseline for all vaginas truly is to shoot ping pong balls, open beer bottles, and move coffee tables. Really, vaginas were not meant to fall out. This is not the norm, even though it's become normalized. I've had women notice the results of their jade egg practice within 15 minutes. So they do the practice in the afternoon, they make love with their partners at night, and their partner and they can feel the difference. Most importantly, you begin to own your sexual and creative power. You learn how to create your reality using your sexual energy, and the divine flow, whatever your visions are, become manifested into your life. I create with my vagina all the time. I dance myself around the planet, creating things as I go, courtesy of my vagina. Hashtag powered by vagina, because I'm conscious of using my energy to manifest all of my dreams and my ideas out into the world, and so can you. If you'd like to learn how to use the jade egg to supercharge your vagina and your orgasms, as well as learn how to do a step-by-step self-healing Yoni massage, you can check out my Vaginal Kung Fu 8-week online salon. The link for that is below this video. For more tips on enlightened life, love, and vaginas, subscribe to my channel.